To verify Cash App for Apple Pay, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Then select the Support option. From the Support menu, choose the Apple Pay option, and then tap on Add to Apple Wallet. Next, review the terms and conditions. Then tap on Agree to add your Cash App card to Apple Wallet. If you do not see the Add to Apple Wallet option, ensure that you have the latest version of the Cash App installed on your device. You can check for updates in the App Store to confirm that your Cash App card has been successfully added to Apple Wallet. Open the Wallet app on your device. Your Cash App card should be visible in the Wallet app, along with any other cards you have added. To verify your identity, you may be prompted to provide additional information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. This is a standard security measure to ensure that your account is secure and to comply with financial regulations. Once you have completed the verification process, you can use your Cash App card with Apple Pay to make purchases online, in-store, or in-app. To make a purchase, simply select Apple Pay as the payment method. Then authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. To get the most out of using Cash App with Apple Pay, make sure to keep your Cash App and Apple Wallet apps up to date, and regularly review your account activity to ensure that all transactions are legitimate. By following these steps and best practices, you can enjoy a convenient and secure payment experience with Cash App and Apple Pay.